Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from 11 Group. I want to presentation adiabatic gas law, effect of pressure on volume and on adiabatic gas. And my name Sandi Prayoga Ferdianto, NIM 4026. I'm from FRD class, and this is abstract. This experiment aimed to analyze the relationship between pressure and volume in the process adiabatic, analyzing the comparison of the value of Laplace constant between experiment and theory, analyze the value of work on the adiabatic process. This experiment was carried out 5 times with different volume ranks. The manipulation variable is the gas volume with carbon dioxide gas control variable and pressure response variable, gamma value and value work. From this experiment, it was found that there was a relationship between volume and pressure that is the opposite. This means this means that the larger the volume, the lower the pressure, vice versa. The value of the Laplace constant of gamma has almost the same value between gamma at the time of experiment and gamma has almost the same value between gamma at the time of experiment and gamma according of theory. Difference possible caused by a gas leak during the experiment. The work value is negative because the system compressed where work is done on the system by the surrounding, so that the internal energy system will increase so that V2 is smaller than V1. Next, chapter 1, preliminary. Experiment background. Thermodynamic is a concept that applied to real equipment in the presence of heat. One example is the Carnot engine. Carnot engine is a heat engine that work by transferring energy from a hot to cold areas. Another example of application of thermodynamic is the motor engine and power generator. To know about how some of this machine work, it is necessary to understand first about the concept of thermodynamics specifically on adiabatic process. Adiabatic process is a process that occur in the absence of heat and mass transfer between the system and environment. In order to learn more about the adiabatic process, an experiment was carried out with the title The Effect of Volume on Pressure in Adiabatic Process. Before when starting the experiment, it is hoped that the practice will understand the related material. Next, objective formula and objective of the experiment. A problem formulation and objective of experiment. Problem formulation. 1. What is the relationship between pressure and volume in the adiabatic process? 2. How do the value of the Laplace constant compare between experiment and theory? And 3. What is the work value of the adiabatic process? And objective of the experiment. 1. Analyzing the relationship between pressure on and the volume in the adiabatic process. 2. Analyze the comparison of the value of the Laplace constant between experiment and theory. And 3. Analyzing the work value of the adiabatic process. And next, chapter 2 is the basic theory. Basic theory in the first law of thermodynamics states that energy cannot be created and can be destroyed. Energy is only in the form and one form of energy to another form of energy. To raise the temperature of gas so that has gained certain temperature at a certain amount of heat is recorded on Q. If a certain amount of heat is fired at the system, then the heat energy will be used to do business. So the amount of heat received by the system is used to increase energy in the system and to do work. Giving heat to the system will add energy in the system. Oh. How much heat occurred in the increase in the internal energy by U and to work from V can be found using the equation Q equal to delta U plus V. Compression that take place with any head leaving or entering the gas. In practice, the adiabatic process never occurs completely because the insulation in the cylinder can never be perfect anyway. Next, this is adiabatic process. Figure 2.4 graph of relationship between pressure and volume of adiabatic process. An adiabatic process is a process in which no heat escape from the system or into the system. Q equal to 0. On the graph rho V, the work done is the area. That said process can be seen in figure 4. The equation of work in the adiabatic process is a following: V equal to 1 per 1 min gamma rho 2 V2 min rho 1 V1. Next, this is a Laplacian equation with Laplace constant that is gamma equal to Cv per Cv. In the adiabatic process, it is known that Q equal to 0, and that first law of thermodynamic generated is delta U equal to min V. Next, this is a chapter 3, experimental methodology. Tools and material, 1 computer, 2 interface, 3 tube apparatus, and 4 gas cylinder. And this is experiment picture. This is a gas cylinder that is computer, interface, and tube apparatus. And experimental variable, 1 control variable is carbon dioxide gas, and 2 manipulation variable gas volume, and 3 response variable the pressure, gamma value, and work value. And experiment step 1, connect the apparatus to voltage source of no more than 15 volt and the source DC current. Connect the signal cable from the deep plug to the small plug cable and the output. Connect channel C for temperature. Connect the volume cable plug on cable B. Connect the pressure cable plug on the analog channel. Connecting the gas supply to another supply, namely from the carbon dioxide tube to the apparatus tube. Open the carbon dioxide tube valve. Next, turn the button in the on direction until the ball on the scale goes up. After that, the gas apparatus tube was filled with carbon dioxide gas, which indicated by the raising of the piston on the apparatus. Lock the apparatus tube to prevent gas leak. Compare the gas cylinder apparatus to curtain volume and press start on Data Studio. So that experimental data are obtained in form of graph of volume, pressure, and values gamma, entering into the data table. And chapter 4, data and analysis. And this is this is a data from this experiment, and this is a volume range, initial pressure, initial volume, final pressure, final volume, gamma, and work value based on theory 2. And this is a work value based on theory. Next, data analysis. In the adiabatic gas law practicum, with the aim of analyzing the relationship between pressure with volume in adiabatic process, analyzing the ratio of constant value Laplace between experiment with theory on adiabatic process, analyzing the value of work on adiabatic process. The experiment was carried out 5 times by manipulating the gas volume and control carbon dioxide gas so that the pressure gamma value and value are obtained work. Based on data table 4.1.1, in the first experiment, the volume range 15 until 10 with P1 is 114.261 cross 10 to the min 3 PA. V1 is 2.206 cross 10 to the min 4. P2 is the 194.830 cross 10 to the min 3. V2 is the 1.422 cross 10 to the min 4. From this data, it can be seen that the pressure value will increase, but the volume value will decrease. This is in accordance with the theory that says that the relationship between volume and pressure is inversely proportional. The art is in process adiabatic value of volume and pressure is always constant, so that when the pressure is increased, that volume will decrease. And vice versa, if the pressure is lowered, the volume will increase, then the comparison of the gamma value between this experiment and the calculation should not be far away, not much different. In the gamma value contained in the first experiment, the value is 1.3 plus minus 0.0022. And to find out the value of gamma with calculation can be done by using the logarithm. The result is 1.22 and successive result for in the gamma value in experiment 2 to 5 based of theory and calculation is 1.28 plus minus 0.0024 and 1.20 1.29 plus minus 0.0019 and 1.21 1.29 plus 0 plus minus 0.0015 and 1.21 1.31 plus minus 0.0018 and 1.22. From the result of data between calculation and theory, it is found the gamma value between experiment and theory is in harmony because the difference in the number is not more than 1. The difference may be possible caused by a gas leak during the experiment. Then for the work value in experiment 1 to 5, when the volume range is getting compressing and getting smaller, that work value experiment 1 to 5 is minus because the system compression where work is done on the system by the environment, so that the energy in the system will increase because the system is subject to work in the form of piston torques, or the system receives work with an increase in internal energy. And this is a chart analysis graph of the relationship between pressure and final volume. From the graph, it can be seen the pressure is inversely proportional to volume. And next, chapter 5, conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion, there is relationship between volume and pressure that inversely proportional. It means the greater the volume, the lower and pressure is vice versa. 2, the value of the Laplace constant of gamma has almost the same value between gamma at the time of the experiment and gamma according to theory. The difference when be caused by lag during experiment. 3, the value of work is negative. The system compressed where work is done to the system by the environment, so that energy in the system will increase so that V2 is smaller than V1. Recommendation, before conducting experiment analysis, it's better understand the concept and material so that in rating the data can be accurate. And image attachment, and this is an example experiment picture, and the sample appendix calculation. This calculation is used to find the value of V, and gamma. And okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.